10. Okay, so y minus 10 equals m. What's x? X minus x1. x1 is 3. Okay, so we don't know m at this point, but we can find out what m is. Alright, okay, so let's find what m is. Find m. Alright, okay, now let's find m. Okay, m or slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, we know that. So y2 is 8. 8 minus y1 is 10 divided by x2 is 1 minus 3. So 8 minus 10 is negative 2. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So that's 1. Slope is 1. Okay. So we got slope here. This is 1 plus 1. Okay. So we can write this equation as y minus 10 equals 1 times x minus 3. Okay. So we got the slope. Now we have to find the y-intercept. So we know that at y-intercept the value of x is 0. Right?
No. There isn't even enough room on this paper.
0. Okay. At y-intercept. Okay.
Wait.
At y-intercept the value of x equals 0. Okay. So this equation will become y minus 10 equals 1 times negative 3. Okay, because this will become 0. So let me, okay, alright, I'm gonna write down on the other side. Okay, here y minus 10 equals 1 times 3 is 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Okay, so y equals, when 10 goes to the other side, negative 10 goes to the other side, that will become positive 10, right? So negative 3 plus 10 equals 7. So y equals 7. So that's the y-intercept. Okay. So now the last step. Okay. Now we have what is it? We have slope. Which is 1. And then we have y-intercept. Okay, we have slope and then y-intercept. Now we can use this equation y equals mx plus b. Okay, because we have slope and we have y-intercept. So y equals what slope? Slope is 1. 1x plus y-intercept is 7. Okay, so y equals 1x is x plus 7. So we got the answer, which is y equals x plus 7. Okay, one more thing. Okay, let's find out whether this is the relationship, right? Let's find out whether this relationship is true. Okay, so take, for example, let's take this x and y coordinate. Okay, so according to this, this equation, actually let's substitute for x in this equation. Okay, let's substitute x with 3, then you will get y equals 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So y equal to 10. So this relationship is correct, because when we substitute x with 3, you will get 10. Right? When you substitute x with 3, okay, you will get 10. So this relationship is correct. Okay, take a look at this understanding checks A and B. pause if you need to. I'm just going to do A on the board, okay? Okay, so same as before. First you find what? First you find the change for x and y. Okay, so what's the change here? What's the change here? 4. Okay, right? What's the change here?
Hold on.
That's -5. That's interesting. What's the change here?
Hold on.
That's
Hold on.
okay. So let's find out what's the change here for y. Okay. That is 5, 12. That's interesting. Okay, that's 12. And the change here is, again, that's negative. That's interesting. Negative 15, and that's again positive 12. Okay, so now let's find the rate. Okay, the ratio of change. All right. Okay, so that would be 12 divided by 4. Okay, 12 divided by 4, and then negative 15 divided by negative 15 divided by negative 5. Okay, and then 12 divided by 4 again. Okay, 12 divided by 4 again. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 here, right? Negative 15 divided by 5 is again 3 here. 12 divided by 4 is 3 here. So the rate of change is constant. Rate of change is 3 everywhere, which means that the rate of change is constant. Okay, now let's use the equation y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is the point slope form, right? Right? So here, let's say this is x1, x2. This is y1, y2. Okay? So y minus y1 is negative 5 equals, y1 is negative 5, right? M times x minus x1 is negative 1. Okay? So what is m? M is a slope, right? So how do you find the slope? Let's find the slope. Okay? Let's find the slope. The slope m is, we will come back to this equation in a little bit, okay? But let's find what m is now, okay? Let's find out slope. So slope m is y2 divided by y1. That is, okay, let me write down the equation. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 7 minus y1 is negative 5 divided by 3 minus negative 1. Okay, so that's 7 plus 5 divided by 3 plus 1. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So is 4. So that's 3. Okay, so slope m equals 3. Alright? Okay. Okay, so now let's go back to this equation. We know what m is, okay? So y minus negative 5 is y plus 5 equals m equal to 3. So 3 times x here minus negative 1 is plus, okay? X plus 1, okay? So at y-intercept, okay? Here's the thing, at y-intercept, x will be 0, right? Right? That will be